Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now we're coloring alphabets A to Z. Kids, subscribe to our channel. First we are using and mixing yellow color. Kids, now we are using and mixing yellow color. Subscribe to our channel. First we draw the alphabet of A and the next one is B. Now we're coloring the alphabet of C. C for cow, C for cat. The next one is D. D for dog, D for dog. And the next one is E. E for egg, E for elephant. The next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is G. G for God. Kids, now we're using the color of green. Kids, now we're using the color of green. H for hand. And the next one is I. I for ice, I for ice cream. J for jackfruit, and the next one is K. K for kite. The next one is L. L for lion, L for lemon. The next one is M. M for moon, M for mango. The next one is N. N for nose, N for nest. Subscribe to our channel. O for orange, O for octopus. Kids, subscribe to our channel. The next one is P, and we are again using the color of green. P for parrot. Q for queen. The next one is R. R for rose, R for rice. And the next one is S. S for sun, S for snake. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is T. U for umbrella. The next one is V. V for vanilla, and the next one is W. W for watch. X for Xmas tree, Y for yolk. And the last one is Z. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Today we're coloring alphabet A to Z.